I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, exactly 37 days after this man chop suspension, last the governor of Edo State, wey be Monday Okpebholo, don recall the state attorney general and commissioner for justice, and this man dey go by the name Samson Osagie. And now for inside one letter wey Oga Samson Osagie receive, and this letter dey come from the secretary to the state government wey be Umar Ekilo. This letter now dey carry the date 12th of March 2024, and men release the letter at around 8:15 p.m. The details of this very particular letter now dey prove say the government don recall Oga Samson Ekilo after he was exonerated of financial wrongdoing. And according to how men now take write for inside the letter, they say having considered the report of the investigative panel wey dey set up by the government to investigate allegations of financial infractions wey dem report against him, wey be Samson Osagie, wey last come make dem call exonerate him, wey be Samson Osagie, from the said allegations. Now they dey write to convey the directive of the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, say make him, wey be Samson Osagie, resume duties as the Edo State Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice with effect from the 12th day of March 2025. So now, reacting to this development, so Oga Osagie come dey give accolade to the Edo State governor. He now come dey yarn say he dey appreciate the Edo State governor's sincerity of purpose and vision for Edo State. And this now a clear indication say Governor Monday Okpebholo mean well for Edo State too, and he go use this medium, he go use this opportunity to reinstate his commitment and to reinstate his loyalty to the Edo State governor, be Monday Okpebholo, and this is administration. Oga Osagie now dey yarn say they remain very much committed to joining the Edo State governor to ensure that Edo State to recover all wey they don lost, and from now on na only forward na they go. This, my good people, now one of the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit informate, me still get to report to my table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the former chief press secretary to the former governor Godwin Obaseki, this man they go by the name Mr. John Mayaki, he now don come outside now they slam the Edo State People's Democratic Party chairman, and this country person they go by the name Dr. Tony Azegbemi. Now in the slam Oga Tony for wetin they describe as his hypocrisy in criticizing Governor Monday Okpebholo's security effort. That is, Oga Mayaki now they banter Dr. Tony Azegbemi because now he first banter the security effort of Senator Monday Okpebholo. Now first they criticize the governor, then they criticize the effort, say the man they do nice things, they try when it comes to security and many other level for inside Edo State. According to how talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga John Mayaki, he say how can a man wey be say then kidnap him for broad daylight under the government of Godwin Obaseki now don dey participate on insecurity? Person wey be say now for daytime then kidnap him during the administration of the former governor Godwin Obaseki. This person now wey they kidnap for broad daylight don come outside they talk about this administration, don come outside now they criticize the security effort wey Monday Okpebholo dey put. Oga John say if last the People's Democratic Party, their government, no fit even protect their own party chairman, which kind moral rights wey Dr. Tony Azegbemi get to come dey lecture anybody on security? That is under the administration where the People's Democratic Party they preach say a good, all this kind of level, kidnapping be still happen, and their chairman was kidnapped. And normally, my good people, when man they point one finger give person, he gats realize say 3 other fingers they point give him. And this now why Oga John Mayaki they describe the comments of Oga Tony Azegbemi as a desperate attempt to deflect from the People's Democratic Party their catastrophic failure in governance. He said the man now they talk things to make sure say people no remember how things be during their own administration. He wants make e be say the general public now focus on the present, make dem focus on the crisis wey dey happen for the state, make dem no know say dis kind levels too e also happen during the administration of Godwin Obaseki. According to how the talk take come outside from the mouth of Oga John Mayaki, he say under the administration of Godwin Obaseki, farmers raise alarm say herdsmen dey attack. Communities dem plead for protection, but Obaseki and his team dem look the other way, dem pre ten d as if dem no dey observe. Now, instead of them now to dey address the crisis, the People's Democratic Party, their government focus on political infighting and issuing empty statements. Now, just few months into a new administration, the same People's Democratic Party wey keep the Edo State security infrastructure in ruins, men wey spoil plenty things for inside Edo State, want to rewrite history and blame the All Progressive Congress. Oga John say governance is not about press conference and political grandstanding. No, governance dey require actual work, something wey the People's Democratic Party dey no do in 8 years. So therefore, e go good now make men no dey criticize the administration of Monday Okpebholo. Number one, im just dey start, and number two, im inherit a broken security system. Wetin im inherit don spoil, and im now dey try to repair am. So make men now no dey rush am because im dey try do the right thing. Dis new administration now dey hustle day and night to fix the security system wey the former administration break, and dey work in collaboration with security agencies. So instead of the People's Democratic Party wey know very well say dem follow spoil the security system, dem follow make things go wrong for Edo State, instead of them now to dey support, instead of them now to dey help so that they go fit restore order, dem dey busy dey seek relevance through baseless accusations. So if e be say dem get anything to talk, if e be say dem wan tender advice, make dem first hold am first, make dem first apologize for the things and things wey dem do Edo State people, make dem first apologize give Edo State for their incompe ten ce before dem begin dey tender any advice wey dem wan give the ruling All Progressive Congress, because last the PDP dey lack the credibility to speak on governance, and that na sake of say before dem comot for office, dem spoil a lot of things for inside Edo State. So they can continue to talk all they want to talk, but make dem know very well say Edo State people now don wise up. Any amount of propaganda wey dem bring come to erase the memory of the Jagoda administration wey just pass, so e no go work at all. All these levels, my good people, dey come from Oga John Mayaki. And this, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. And no be lie, reality latest gist go like wan hear your thoughts about the matter. So feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be reality latest. Now we dey like give una news on politics and many other latest for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring more news, they come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp.